Just an 8 minutes walk to the SS18 LRT station and its nearby shops. This is one property you do not want to miss. SS18 LRT station is unique. It feels more like a cozy neighborhood station than a busy transit hub. So it's mostly used by students and office workers. And if you time it right, you can even catch a nice sunset from the platform. Next to the LRT station, SS18 has everything residents here need. From cozy cafes and old school kopitiams to clinics and convenience stores. It is easy to pop in and pop out for quick errands, whether you need a quick meal, a checkup, or just a grocery run. This is what gives SS18 its laid-back community feel, super convenient for the people here. This 22 by 75 house boasts a long driveway where you can park 3 cars comfortably. I like how this car porch area sits on flat land. And this is a really cute part of the house. A cozy veranda where you can sit and sip your morning coffee. Step into a bright open plan living area. The stairs are smartly tucked to the right, and the storeroom has been pushed back, giving you space to breathe. There are 2 dining zones. The front, it can be perfect for guests. Imagine it furnished with a stylish bar or display shelves. The one inside, ideal for everyday meals. Don't you love how the sliding glass door floods the room with light? Everything beyond this kitchen top is extensions. There's about 15 feet here that has been extended to the back. This house is fitted with kitchen cabinets, and this is where the ground floor bathroom is, right next to the ground floor bedroom. And here's a thoughtful spot for your washing machine. This ground floor room is more than just a typical utility room. This extended ground floor room is approximately 150 square feet. It can fit a queen-size bed with space for more furniture too. It makes a great guest or grandparents' room. Despite the extensions, the owner kept this back area open. It's a perfect wet kitchen or laundry space. Bonus, it's on higher ground compared to its back neighbor. Let us head on up this solid L-shaped stairs. One thing I like, it is wide enough to move furniture up, or even install a future chairlift. Upstairs, you will notice the difference. Unlike most homes here, this landing area has been extended into a proper family zone. What used to be a room here has been pushed back and turned into a family room. So imagine your kids playing here or movie nights on weekends. The master room is spacious and filled with light. It occupies the entire front property width and it has been extended. So this portion is what is above the veranda. Because of the abundance of space, you can easily put in your king-size bed in the middle of the room. The existing wardrobe space is neatly flushed against the wall. This extended corner would also make a great office space or a vanity area. Due to the sloping roof, there is a nook at the side of the room. This would be perfect for luggages or even seasonal storage, like winter clothes or things that you don't need to access on a daily basis. The master bathroom is also smartly designed, where you can add in a shower screen to separate the shower area. I really like how there's a window facing outwards, so you will still get natural light and ventilation in this bathroom area. This master bedroom is a good size of approximately 250 square feet. So, this portion used to be the room behind me. But since the room was extended backwards, this is now a family area. I really like how there are louvers up there that brighten up what is typically a dark rear zone of the house. At the back portion of the house, we have two rooms sharing a Jack and Jill bathroom. So this used to be the original room, and everything beyond this wall is the extended portion of the room. So, you can use this room as a bedroom, and the room in front of it as a private study or a walk-in closet. And if you prefer an open layout, just knock down these walls to create one large bedroom. We are heading to our smallest room on this level. It is approximately 150 square feet, and you can still fit in a queen size bed. So this could be a perfect room for a teenager, or if you work from home and you would like to have your own office, this could be a good space for a home office. So all in all, I am very impressed by the condition of this house. It is in a prime old is gold location, yet the condition is great and there are no cracks in sight. So if you are in a market looking for a freehold extended house that is in good condition, is near the LRT station and the shops, and it's in the range of 800 plus thousand ringgit, this could be the perfect house for you. Schedule a viewing appointment with me today. Considering Subang Jaya? Consider Carmen.